-1 minus 10.
So why are you having an issue with this? Did you write it down?
Yeah.
-1, and you knew that you're looking for the opposite of 10. You switched it to addition. So we're looking at this as like our train, right? Here's one of the cars that's a term in our train. Hold that paper so I can draw my little train car. And then you're adding now a -10 because the opposite of +10 is negative. So what's your cargo? How many negatives are you pulling all together? Now you gotta write it on the paper so that the people can see at home. Perfect. Travis, working with a double negative, 4 minus -5. Now tell me what you did. You don't know. What do you know about this right here? What is that going to do to this number? We wrote the word down somewhere, didn't we?
Opposite.
Say it again.
Opposite.
It is the opposite. It's going to make whatever term we have here the opposite. And is that why you put a +5 here?
Mm-hmm.
Very good. We're changing everything to addition. So you've got a +4, and we are combining that with now a +5, which is going to give us a
+9.
You got it. We're going to put Brock under the spotlight here. All right, we're subtracting a negative, right? So on your piece of paper, tell me what your setup is.
4 minus -31.
Okay. What does the minus sign really mean?
Addition.
How can a subtraction sign mean addition? What does this really mean?
Negative.
Doesn't mean negative. We're subtracting a negative. Look up top at our example that we did together.
Opposite.
This is asking for us to take the
Opposite.
of
31.
-31, right. So this 4, there's no sign in front of it. What is that then?
Negative.
Just positive, right? Okay. If we take the opposite of -31, what does that now become? Phenomenal. Both these numbers are positive, correct?
Yeah.
How many positives do we have altogether?
35.
That's it. There's our answer, and there's our explanation.
Okay,
All right.
so
Ethan's going to go ahead and do 10 minus -9 for us. It's going to give us some choices. Here's our graphic organizer. He's going to rewrite the problem first.
put in parentheses.
What can you tell us? You got to speak aloud, okay?
Okay.
What can you tell us about that negative, or the minus sign? What are you writing?
So it's basically 10 minus -9, so it's the, you would add a plus here, so negative is the opposite of plus, so add.
Basically, it's the opposite of -9. What is the opposite of -9?
9.
Okay, let's fill that in, because we're changing this to be an addition problem. We're hitching it together here.
And then the answer would be 19.
That's it. All right, Cairo is writing down -67 minus -28. He's going to talk to us about how to use our graphic organizer and what he actually sees here.
Well, with this you just keep it and then you bring it down, so that's just -67. And then
Why is there a plus sign right here? What are we trying to do?
you're rewriting the answer with a division to get the integer answer. So this would be 28. So
Why did that become +28?
because you have to rewrite the answer into +28. So,
Why? What does this mean?
It means opposite, so
It means the opposite of whatever number we have here, right? Whatever integer we have here. What is the opposite of -28?
28.
It's +28. So 28 by itself is positive, right?
yeah.
And 60, is that 61 or 67? 67 by itself in this case is negative. -67 combined with +28. What the heck is that going to give us?
It's 31. No.
Well, first of all, are we going to have more positives or more negatives?
More negatives.
Okay, good. That's a good, so let's put that in there first.
That.
If we take 20 away from the 60, how many is left?
Oh. It's 40.
Okay, so let's write down underneath here that we have 47 negatives. You can put it right in that box. 47 negatives. And then if we took 20 away here, we were left with 8 positives, right?
Yeah.
Now let's take 8 of these away, because basically they're like our pawns, right?
So
Green pawns, red pawns.
29.
No, not 29.
39.
39 negatives are going to be left over. You got it.